guys, so I am starting the vlog from the library, trying to get these papers done. So grad school has honestly been a lot of work for me. I have a lot of like 5 to 7 page papers, multiple ones, so it's been a lot trying to balance that and then try to get my apartment ready. So that's what I'm doing today. I came on campus because of the Wi-Fi. This is the only place where I can get good Wi-Fi, so that is what I'm doing today. Other than that, I do want to go to the Accra weekend market, which should be exciting. I just saw a random flyer online, so that's what I'm going to do today, and y'all will see what that's like. I'm hoping to do like a lot of shopping, honestly. I just want to buy cute things, hopefully some food too, like from fresh vendors. And yeah, so this is the vlog. I want to start talking in because I know my last vlog I just had to put some music over the clips and be done. So yeah, my time, like I said, in Accra has been really good, and I just want to continue getting out more. Now that my apartment is semi-ready, like I moved from the old one to the new one, my bedroom is done, my kitchen's done, my bathroom's done. All I need to do is furnish the living room, which I'm not going to do anytime soon because I need a break. And then yeah, we're good. So I want to start getting out more, going to different areas in Ghana, because Ghana is not Accra and Accra is not Ghana. And I'm going to keep saying that because I really just need to get out of Accra. I feel like Accra is super congested, and I don't know, I'm not much of a city girl, but I love Accra, but definitely it's time to see some other areas. So yeah, hope you guys are ready for the adventures to come, and we will see what this market is looking like. I'm a blogger.
So this is the wands, Palo Santo, and a variety of different sage for cleansing energy, and then of course the Palo brings in the positive. We have some purple sea moss we can make into tea bags, and then we have a root chakra kit as well, incense as well.
I vlog. Got it? Do you make them and you package?
Sorry?
You make them?
Yeah.
For my new apartment, so when you first walk in, this is the living room. I love the floors. I'm happy with it. It looks so much better than the one I had. Air conditioned. My couches will probably go over here, and then this is where the TV will go. A better angle. And then this room is the bedroom area. Not the biggest bedroom, TV again, and then outside is like a little patio you can see outside of. But yeah, this is where the bedroom will be. And then the bathroom, I think the floors are the best part. The window will have to be covered because I don't like that. But the shower is really nice. That's the bathroom. I have a little wardrobe unit that comes with it. That isn't the biggest. I might have to buy another one. So this is one side. And the drawers aren't the biggest either. But we will make it work for sure. And then the kitchen. So I have to turn the lights on, so sorry for the darkness. But it has cabinets that will also have to be covered because when people walk through, I do not need them to be looking at me. But yeah, this is the apartment. I think it's super cute and very nice for one person. I'm very happy with it. Like I said, the floors are so nice. I love floors. The bathroom. So yeah, just furnish it now, which is about to be a whole process, especially being in Ghana. But I'm very happy with what I found. And when you guys find out how much this costs, y'all are gonna be like, what? So I was finally able to get some rice porridge, and even in 2019 when I was in Ghana, it was just hard for me to find Ghanaian breakfast because it would always run out or it just wasn't around me. So I had someone helpfully go help me find some today. Rice porridge, we have Tom Brown, right? Okay, we have Tom Brown and rice porridge. So I'm gonna put this in the bowl and we're gonna see how it tastes.
No, open from this place here. That place is
this whole
yes,
thing?
untie it.
Maybe that's why things don't work out for me. Hey.
Then turn it up. Then pour it inside. Move your hand and pour it. Squeeze it from the back. You are doing well. No, not like that. Hold it in this way. This way. Like this. Use only 2 of your tips. Don't use everything. It's okay. Then you can keep it down. Then you can hold this one and suck like this. You can suck it from that side. Then keep it down. Take your spoon. Then mix it thoroughly.
Thoroughly. Oh, I see the milk.
Evenly, anyhow you want to, because that is the sugar in, there is milk inside. So keep mixing to how you want it. If you want extra milk, you can get you extra milk, so that it will be more milk. But since you are, you don't need it.
What is That's all. Thank you. That is the end of the tutorial. Now we are trying Tom Brown. I like it. It tastes like something I've had before.
You don't put another one here. What you don't like the normal wooden bread. Anna? No. You are a fish and you see. I mean, you like the normal this thing. Or other bread when they fix. I mean, because this thing there here. Yeah. This one there here. This one there for this side. This one there for the back here. Yeah. It's the same thing. I'm sure you will do that. No. This thing is something very, very complicated to fix. So, feel like this. Now, when I'm showing the
After you're gone,
I feel like the room isn't as near as done as I actually want it, but this is what it's looking like so far. I just got bed sheets that I forgot yesterday. Need the curtains to be up and so many more things that I want to add in here, honestly, to just make it look the way I wanted to. But I think it's coming together really nice. My landlord actually just came and saw the wallpaper. I didn't ask because I didn't want him to say no potentially, but he even told me like he wasn't gonna let me put it up because it creates problems, I guess, for the next tenants, even though I'm gonna be here for like the next 2 years. So I'm glad I didn't ask, but he said it looked nice. Yeah, I'm actually not the biggest fan of the wallpaper, but I think considering like me not liking it that much, it's really coming together really nice, so yeah.
Put it in the water, put it in the sink. You burn your this thing, man. Thank you.
Hey guys, so just wanted to come on and show my dinner. So I'm having omotuo, which is rice balls with my favorite groundnut soup. I hope I didn't get it confused with palm nut. But one thing I wanted to say is I love how everything is packaged in plastic because I just had a 40-minute ride home and it's still hot, like it was still freshly made. So this is what we're having tonight. And yeah, traditional Ghanaian food. Assignment. Okay, this is so cute. This is my favorite piece and it was a piece I wanted to come out the best anyway. So I got a few things made. They're all in this bag. Hopefully I'll show them later. This is the dress and then this is a 2-piece set that I got done. But yeah, so cute. It is a little bit expensive to make clothes here sometimes. Like everything, I think I got 4 things done. I got this romper, a dress, a 2-piece set, and then pants made, and it came out to like $125. So not bad for the value, you know, for having someone literally take their time to make this, but you know, but it's so worth it. Like I love the entire process of going to get fabric and then telling them what you want and then them just making it come to life. So cute, and hopefully these pictures come out good. Because I'm a student and I'm always running in and out, if I show you guys how I'll go grocery shopping but I don't even have the time to prep the groceries or even eat because I'm always running in and out of my house. But thank God someone reached out to me and told me about their meal prepping service. So I got grilled salmon done and then jollof rice. So this is gonna help me a lot with like already having pre-packaged meals. It's so much cheaper than me like constantly just having to get food on the go. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out and see how it works. At least like if I can prep, I can make my own breakfast because I have time for breakfast in the morning sometimes. But like lunch and a dinner especially is like my biggest issue. So I think this is gonna be really helpful. And I just want to say that Ghana's history is always so fascinating to me because of how rich everything is. So I've been enjoying just going around to the different sites. One of my many photographers in Ghana. Do you have anything to say about the experience? How did you like Osu Castle?
Oh, it was nice. It was very cool. Osu Castle.
Yanko. Dini mam.
So I finally made it to La Tante DC-10 restaurant. So basically this is what the inside looks like. It's just a remodeled airplane, and yeah. So all in all, you guys, I think the concept of this place is really nice. The food was okay. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. But yeah, I think there's work to be done though. Like the interior could be a little bit better.
Chances, mommy, do you believe in so ties? I've been looking for the one, think I found her. I feel love, then I look.